Okay, and you have to know that factor 8 and factor 5 are cofactors. And the factors that are or that need vitamin K gonna be obviously the 10 and all the factors that are in direct contact with the 10, 9, 7, and 2. Okay, what other important things that I want to say to you in this part is that in the largest way you have the largest words starting with you look at the TTP that it's larger than TP, and you activate this pathway with subendothelial collagen that is larger than tissue factor, and you treat the intrinsic or the larger pathway with heparin that the abbreviation is HEP, and the extrinsic you treat with or you look at the warfarin drug to act in this pathway. Okay, that's a really big view about this coagulation cascade. And some important thing that you have to know too is that I don't know if you remember that in the primary hemostasis we have our platelets, and our platelets have some granules inside. One was the alpha granules that contained, did you remember, 1 factor, and we have another's that called dense granules. We have ADP and calcium. ADP we use to activate the P12Y receptor, and I don't know if you remember what's the drug that blocks these receptors, P2Y12. It's clopidogrel. Okay, never forget about that of ADP. But now we are looking about the calcium, and we have some factors that act with the calcium. So starting with the 9, 8, okay, 10, 7, and also 5 and 2. So calcium is a really important uh, electrolyte that are going to help us in almost every part here in the coagulation cascade. Okay, and the factor 1 is the last factor in our primary hemostasis. Do you remember? Is fibrinogen. Okay, and when our factor 1 becomes factor 1 activate, it's going to make fibrin. Okay, and the factor 2 is the factor that allows this pathway happens. Okay, and when you conform fibrin, you are stabilize the coat. Okay, and you need calcium too to activate this pathway, and to make more stable the cog, you have to use another factor that we going to call factor 13. Okay, and what going to active factor 13 is going to active factor 2, or the factor 2a. Okay, the factor 2a allows that fibrin makes more stable and stabilize the platelet block. Okay, and now we make hemostasis. We stop the bleeding and we control the problem. Okay,